So we are in Microstation now. So here I'm just going to create a new file. So what you created, you need to open. This is the way you're supposed to create a file and open the file. Okay, so in this what I'm going to tell means like today we will discuss something about dimension tools. So that we have in this F section over here. Okay, you can right click here and then you can also open dimensioning as toolbox. Then the toolbox here it will come. Okay, but here some tools are missing. So what we can do is Control T, and here I will just go for typing just letter D. Then we can see dimension, tools and also dimensions. So we have two set of tools. So this is one and another one. So the same what we have here, we also have here. Okay, so this is not needed in that case. So this is what the dimension toolbox. Here we have all the tools and all set of tools regarding dimensions. Okay, the same only we have limited tools over here. Okay, so for that first I will start creating some objects. And I will also have a circle. So I will go for arc also and elliptical also. Okay, so here we will see the dimensions one by one. Okay, first we have a dimension element. So when you click the particular tool, you can see the particular dialog box will open. So here we have view drawing true arbitrary alignment. This is no need to change as of now, and location it is like automatic, semi-automatic or manual. So automatic could be better. So I will just click here. So and then I'm just leaving it. So it is automatically once you click and leave, then we are getting the dimensions. So now it is in 47 feet some inches. So if you want to change the units, so you can just go to settings, design file, and here we can just go for working unit. So here we can able to change. So I will just change this to meters. So subunit also in meter. So here we have MUSU, which means master unit and subunit. So okay, click OK. So now this in 14 point some fraction meter. Okay, so this is like a very big, I think I will scale it. So scale to 0.25. Since it is locked, we are getting both way. So right click for accepting the changes. Okay, now we got, now we will see this again. So just click and leave. Then we can able to see the dimension. Okay, here if you don't satisfied with the output, we can just click the search tool here, and here we can able to make changes. So what we can do in the sense, we can just go for creation of new style. So I will put so style 1. So here, so we can all modify these tools, geometry, units, text and everything. So now I will go only for the text. See, text height is very less, right? So I will just give some so 0.12 like that. So you can lock it. So in that case, both also it will be the same. So 0.12 meter, something like that. Since subunit also in meter, that's why I'm putting 0.12 meter. Now we can also go for colors. See, you can see the output here. Dimension line, I will just go for a blue color, or I will just go for green color. Text, I will go for some this kind of color. So you can choose whatever the color. Okay, extension line also we can just go for colors. Okay, even we have terminators, that also if you want some color you can choose. So the terminator, that arrow. Okay. Okay, now I will just save this and then close it. Now here we can able to choose that particular style. Now we can just click and click, then we can able to see the changes. But still we can change the fraction, click again, go for unit. So here in accuracy is in fraction. So that's why it is coming like that. Or else I will go with the decimal digits, two decimal digits. Okay, now it won't get updated. Only after it will get updated. That is also a problem. So to update, what is the tool we have? We also have one tool for updating. Change dimension. So you need to click and click outside, then it will change. This tool you can make use for updations. So this is the new style we created for dimensions. So here it is also showing in meter. So that things here we have. So here we have meters and it will show in meter. So that's why we are getting that output. Okay. See, use working units. If you are not use that, so without anything it will come. Only the numbers it will come. So you need to put this working units. Then the meter it will come. So like this we can able to customize all these things. It's very simple. Okay, so first one we seen dimension element. We also have label line. So when you click that, you are getting the labels on particular line. So the length and also the direction. So this is what label line. You click and click the particular line wherever you want. So it is also showing the direction apart from the distance. So then we also have dimension size per line, something like that. So here we have 1, 2 and 3. This we will try. 1, 2. So select element to dimension. Select. So here, so like this. So if you want, you can make use of this tool. Okay, next one we have this one. So this one you need to click by yourself one by one point. First point, second point. So you can leave here and you can continue to go. So it is coming in the same line. See 3.59, 3.59, 2.77, 7.17 like that. So here we also have linear stacked. Okay, in that case, when I'm going for that, 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, everything it will get added up. So from the baseline, all the dimensions here we are getting. This is the difference, these two. And apart from that, we also have linear single. This is linear stacked. And we also have linear single. The same. From the baseline, it will show, but all in the same line. But only one arrow you will get because everything from the base. So this is what stacked and then the linear single. Both same only. That's why we are getting the same values. So these things we have in the second dimensions. So the style, the same only applicable for all the dimension. If you want anything to change, here you can come and change. So default style we have. Apart from that, we also have civil general, contour label, default. So this is what we created now, style 1. So then I will just go for a dimension angular. So if you want to see the angle in between, so it is asking for start of dimension. See, this is what it is. So if it is like this, for example, if I am just clicking here and clicking here, and then you can click somewhere, so it will take the particular angle 1 2 and then 3. This is this kind of 4.43 meter it is showing. Okay, angular dimension, not angle. So here we can also go for angle in between lines. So first and second. So this is also angle between lines, but here we are getting 26.88 meter. Okay, so we need to check the style. Okay, here we can just go for angle format. It should not be in meter, it should be in angle. So here we have a mistake. Okay, and also we can choose degree, minutes, seconds and everything. When you close it, again you can make use of this one. So it will get updated. So that's why here also it should be an angle 180 degree, 90 degree. Again here also just see the angle. So second also we have. So for that better I will just go like this. So the second option, start. So start, so we can just go here. So snap, nearest also, and I will just go for a perpendicular or nearest again. So this particular point, so we are getting this kind of angle. So mostly we can make use of this tool. So this is for arc size. So you can just click here and then click outside, or we can just click here. See, you need to start from here until here. So then we can able to see it is in a 111 degree. But if you want size, then you can change this to length. So the same we also have arc stacked. So if you have two arc, then we can make use of it. So here angle location and everything. Okay. So this is what we have in angular dimension. Apart from that, we also can go for dimension ordinates. See here we are getting in ordinates. So you can just put like this. So wherever you are putting the ordinates, it will come. So even for the ordinate, it is in a meter, 0, 1.68 meter, 3.37, in between 2.43, like that. So this we already seen. This match dimension attributes. For example, if I am just going for some other style, or I will just go for this particular style. Okay, so this is different, right? We can just go for match dimension attributes, identify element. So I will just identify the particular element. So here we are getting some error message. So this is like a default style, so we can't able to change. Otherwise we can change this. So I will just create another style in the name of style 2. Okay. So see, saving changes to the style may change the appearance of existing dimension. Do you want to proceed? No. So style 2 I will take. So I will just go for a dimension. Okay, now we can just go for match dimension attributes, select and select. So again, I'm just going to check the things here. So what we have here, okay. So height and everything we can able to give, okay. So the color and everything, it is like this, okay. So this is what when you are just having here, it is coming, okay. Okay, now we have this one, match dimension attributes. So change the active dimension attributes to them to match those of an existing dimension. So select and then select. So otherwise, so this is what here we are getting, I guess. See, when I'm just going here, so it is in style 2, right? But when you are just clicking here and clicking this, so automatically here the style 1 taking. This is what matching the dimension attributes. Okay. So then we can able to just draw it. So this tool only for that kind of purpose, only to match the dimension attributes. Attributes in the sense here the settings. So not like match property in AutoCAD. So for that we have here change element attributes. So and also we have drop dimension element. For example, drop element dropped. So which means everything separate. So before when you click now it is together, but here everything it is just dropped. That is what drop dimension element. We also have reassociate dimension. So everything in association, right? For example, I am just taking like this and I'm just going to have like this. Now I will just go for reassociate dimension, select dimension. So now it is asking accept. Okay, for example, if I am modifying, see now it is just a dimension also moving. That is what reassociation. Otherwise, without it, see this is the difference. Without reassociation, the dimension is not going to reassociate itself. With reassociation, when you are pulling the line, even the dimension also getting changed. So then we have linear dimension, dimension symmetric, dimension one-sided, like that. So dimension chamfer and everything. Okay. So dimension symmetric we will see first, second. See, like that it is just going. So this is what the dimension coming, and then here we also have dimension one-sided. So one, so only one side like this it will come. And we also have dimension chamfer. So chamfer we don't have, but I will try to select this one. No, but only for chamfer it is applicable. So construct chamfer. So select first element. So first one and then second one. So only little chamfer we got, but I am going to undo it. Control Z. So I will put a more. So 10 and also 10. To select and select. So 10 and 10 also big, I guess. 1 and 1 we will see. So first, second. Okay, now we got chamfer. Now we will see the chamfer dimension. Select it. Select second element to measure chamfer from. So just it is asking to select the chamfer element. Select second element to measure chamfer from. So like this we are getting. Okay. Then angular. So dimension angle from X, angle from Y, dimension angle chamfer, everything we have. So apart from that, dimension radial, dimension diameter, everything. So dimension radial. So it is just showing the center mark. So if you want radius, then you can select the radius and select it. So radius it will come. So diameter. So diameter it will come inside, and even you can put outside diameter extended. So outside also it is coming. Radius extended. So it is like this. Okay, all the styles we have here. Okay, dimension diameter that we already seen. Dimension diameter perpendicular. So for example, here I am just taking, so perpendicularly it is coming. So like this we can able to make use of all these things. So that's why this is not that much important. That's why we have limited tools over here. Insert dimension, remove dimension, modify dimension, everything we have. So remove dimension and then I'm clicking it. So remove dimension. Modify dimension, identify element. I will select the particular. See, now you can able to modify that. Even you can also go for modify. So like this. So see, since it is like we dropped it, that's why we are getting this kind of result. But when you are going for the other, you can modify the text. You can also modify the line. So like this, we can able to work with this option. Remove dimension. So just getting remove the particular dimension. So we also have coordinates, label coordinates and everything regarding coordinates. That also we can make use of it. So like this, we have the dimension tools. So we can make use of those tools to do something with our drawing in more precision. So for precision, we need to deal with the dimensions and we need to show the dimensions also. So the other person or end user, they can easily came to a conclusion what is what, how much the length and everything. Okay, so dimension is very important for any drawings, any engineering drawings. So make use of it. So here in this dimension, we can able to see there is something called terminators. So here we have arrow. If you want to change the terminator also, we can able to change it. So for that, I'm just taking it and then I'm just going to this. Here we have, so geometry, terminator, arrowhead, open, closed, filled and everything. So if you're putting closed and then yes, yes to all, then we can able to see we are getting the closed one. See, before it was not closed, now it is like a closed. Apart from that, we also have filled. So filled in the sense it is like filled with some solid color. So all these things also we have. Apart from that, we also have some other options here. So that we can also get from, see here we have text. Here we have terminators. Okay, if I'm just selecting this one and then I'm just closing it. Now that is only for text actually. For notes, okay, not for the regular dimension, okay, because we have notes here. See, this is note. So this is what for note. So here if you want to modify something, then you can able to go here. See, then this is what the terminators changing. But for regular dimensions, here we can able to take. So dimension with leader, none. Or we can put on, then we can take some of the things. So line terminators, dimension with leader. Okay, this is also for leader. So if you want some box for text, we can enable this one. And we also have terminators and then the style and colors, only colors here. Since we are having box, then we are getting box over our dimension. So here we have arrow, we also have symbol. So in that symbol, we can able to select some symbol. So here I am just going to put this symbol. Okay. So based on that, we will get the preview. Now this is what I was expecting. So like this, we can able to have. Okay, like this, we can able to customize our dimension lines. Okay, dimension styles and everything. So kindly make use of it. For any drawing, this is very important, especially for engineering drawings. So I hope this video will be definitely useful for you people. So if you like this video, don't forget to like this video and also share with your friends and family members. Keep watching more video from my channel playlist. Don't forget to subscribe and stay connected. See you with another interesting video. Have a great day. Bye bye.